outspoken war veteran Blessed Geza has died in South Africa. His family is confirmed. Sarapena mashkubuda pangoenda nyogwa chinzi. Blessed Geza dies in South Africa. Family says ignore calls for cash donations towards funeral. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibida mnamubuda nyogwa mchinzi. Geza, who is in surprise turn of events, came out demanding President Mnangagwa's immediate resignation from going into hiding last year. Died at a cardio hospital in South Africa. In a statement, the Geza family announced his death. It is with profound sadness that we announce the passing of our hero, Comrade Blessedness Geza, popularly known as Comrade Bombshell. He left us this morning at Cardio Hospital in South Africa. Mr. Geza touched many lives with his fight for justice to ensure that all Zimbabweans realize their aspirations. We urge Zimbabweans to be strong during this trying moment, the family said. The family also warned the public against responding to any calls for cash donations towards Geza's funeral, cautioning that some individuals may attempt to cash in on his death. We are aware some people would want to cash in on his death, and we encourage Zimbabweans to ignore any call for GoFundMe towards his funeral. Funeral arrangements are being made, and we will share the details soon. Thank you for your thoughts, prayers, support during this difficult time, the statement read. A day before his death, Geza released a statement in which he appeared to admonish his passing. As I speak to you now, I feel my energy sapping. I might not be here tomorrow, next week, next month, the statement read. Yet, I will be gratified knowing I fought a noble war, and that you will carry it forward to remove Emerson and end the plunder of our country. In these final moments, I want you to carry my message to your hearts. You are not alone. Domashkaonoswana Bombshell Geza. Tudzema funguro enyi muri kudipa musoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell.